Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Just wanted to share a couple things. There's been so much happening. I mean, I'm here with my birds right now. I've just seen so much. I can't record, I can't make a video of everything I'm seeing. So I'm gonna put together a compilation of some of the things that have been happening over the last couple of weeks. I film a little bit here, a little bit here. I mean, I'm not all the time making one solid video. Sometimes I might do that, but these are some of the things that are coming across my path on a daily basis. So you have to have a look at some of these natural wonders, these beautiful birds and animals that I'm seeing. I just wanted to share that with you. So I hope you enjoy, and thank you again for tuning in. Peace. Okay, so I'm trying to sit here and film this, and just as I hit record, literally like, there's a helicopter in the background. So yeah, I had to wait a minute for that helicopter. One of the things that is so just mind-blowing here is not just observing the bird or the animal, but the behavior. Okay, yeah, so in order to like film some of these videos, I just have to like put myself in a not comfortable position to make a video. It sucks. These like crazy angles sometimes are really necessary to get the like, macro details. So some of these shots that I'm making are with the Canon EOS R6, and here I'm using the RF 85, and it's a macro lens, and there's cars passing. Yay. So I decided to set up this watering station for the birds. Check it out. So yeah, one of the things about the watering station is that the birds are always coming in and they stage in branches. So here on the watering station, they're staging and dancing in the water. Wow, I mean, look at this. Okay, so well, you got to the end of this one. It's a hodgepodge, but I think there's so many beautiful things. I have a million more of these clips, like literally, like it's just nonstop. But I hope you enjoyed these ones, and Thanks for getting to this point. Y por todos que están llegando, escuchando en inglés, que hablan en español, mi pregunta es, ¿quieren que yo hago algo en español? Me avisas, por favor. Ponme un comentario o algo. For my friends that didn't understand that, super sorry for you. Anyway, guys, I appreciate the hanging in there, and thank you so much for taking time to say hello to me. Send me a comment or something. Add a little like, or just say, Matt, love your birds, hate your birds, whatever. Or I want to see more of this. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Peace. Love you.